Welcome to Tech Question. In this video, we will learn how to create an amazing Shopify store. Let me show you the store that I am talking about. So we will create this amazing store in this video, and we will import all of these cases from AliExpress. You will need to have Chrome browser installed on your computer to follow through this video, and you will also have to install this Oberlo extension on the Chrome browser. So let's get started. So now let's create our Shopify store. So for that, we'll have to sign up to Shopify. Click the first link in the video description and you will go to this page. Click this button, get started. And now let's enter our email address. And let's enter a store name. The store name must be unique, but you can change it later on. So custom iPhone cases. Okay, it is unique. So let's create your store. It will take some time. Your store is ready to go. Now we'll have to answer a few questions. The first one is this: are you ready for selling? I'm just playing around. What is your current revenue? Let's choose anything and click next. And let's enter your personal details and enter my store. We are into the store. So now let's go ahead and select our Shopify plan. Right now we are on our free Shopify trial. So we are going to choose this $29 a month plan. Don't worry, you will only get charged when your trial finishes. So choose this plan. And we'll have to enter some payment information. So enter your card number and your region, and let's click this button, start plan. It will take some time. And now we are ready to go. So this is our store URL. So let's copy this link and paste it here. And let's see how it looks. Okay, it doesn't look very good, but we are going to change that. Now let's close it. And now let's go ahead and install an app called Oberlo. So let's go to apps and click this button, visit Shopify App Store. Actually, it has popped here. And click this button, add app. Yes, I want to add to this store. So I will have to log in again. Let's go ahead and do that. And it will ask some permissions. So it will ask permission for viewing Shopify account data, manage products, and manage orders. And we will click this button, install app. This app makes it very easy to import products from AliExpress. Let's close this and let's change some basic settings of the store. Settings, General, and let's change the store name from Custom iPhone Cases to Custom Cases. So you can change this email address as well. This email address will be seen by your customers when you send them an email. So here you will have to enter the legal name of the business. So let's put Custom Cases and let's change the currency to US dollar. US dollar, and let's save it. Let's go back to settings, main settings page, and now let's create our store policies. So for that we will have to go to legal, and we can create our default refund policy by clicking this link here, create from template, and same for privacy policy. Terms of service, and later on we will create our policy pages as well, but for now let's save it. Let's go back to home. Now let's go ahead and create our policy pages. So we will right click on home and open a new tab and click online store. Here we can go to pages and we can add a page. Let's name it as refund policy, and we will copy all the text from this refund policy here. So let's copy all and paste it here and save it. Let's create a new page, add page. This one will be for privacy policy. Let's copy this privacy policy, paste it here, save it. Go to pages. Let's add another page. This one will be for terms of service. Let's go back and we will copy terms of service. You can modify these policies later on, but for now we will leave them as it is. Save. And we will create a few more pages. We will create the contact us page and the about us page, and we will add those pages inside our website header. So add page. Let's call it contact us. Contact us. And let me show you a cool feature of Shopify. Click this drop down and select page.contact. So it will create a default contact page. So save it. Let's just view this page. You can see it looks very nice. Let's close it. Now let's go ahead and create the About Us page. Go back to Pages and we'll create a page and the name will be About Us. For now we will not add any content to this page, so for now let's just save it. Now let's do one more thing before adding the products. Let's go to apps and we will change the Oberlo settings. So go to Oberlo, settings, give it a store name, custom cases, scroll down, and these are auto updates. So when product is no longer available, what we want to do, we want to unpublish the product and notify. When a variant is no longer available, remove variant, notify. When the cost changes, just notify me. And when the inventory changes, update automatically. And let's save it. Let's click this global pricing rules, and here you will have to write 5. So if the actual cost of the product is $1, we will sell it for $5, and the compare ad price will be 7 times the cost of the product. And let's just save it. Let's go to suppliers. Now we'll have to add a payment card. So Oberlo will use that payment card to pay for the orders. Add card. Successfully added, and we will select a default shipping method, which is going to be e-packet, and we are only going to sell the products that offer e-packet. So this is the custom note that will be sent to the supplier. Save settings. So now we are ready to add some products to the store. So let's open AliExpress, aliexpress.com, translate, and let's search for some iPhone wallet cases. iPhone wallet case. Let's sort these products by the number of orders. Click this drop down and select this option. I like this one, so let's add this one, this one as well. So before adding the product, just make sure that e-packet shipping is available for that product, because e-packet shipping is faster and the price is also very good. So let's scroll down and we will add a few more. We will add this one. So click this button, Product imported successfully. Let me show you the import list. You can see all of these 3 products have been imported. So let's close it. And now we are going to search for some cat cases. So iPhone cat case, same thing. I'm going to sort by the number of orders. Let's add this one. I like this one. Let's import this one as well, and just one more. Let's add this one. Very cheap. So let's add some marble cases. iPhone marble cases. Let's sort it by the number of orders. Man, look at this, 26,000 orders. I think I should start selling them as well. Scroll down, and I like this one, this brown one, but no e-packet, so I'm not going to add this one. This one is cool as well, so let's import it. And this one is cool, so let's add it again. So I think that's enough. So let's go to import list. Let's close AliExpress. And let me show you how you can add products from the import list to our store. So let's change the title, because we are not going to change this long title in our store. So let's change it to something like soft marble print case. Let's change the description, remove it, and variants. Let's change the shipping location to United States. And let's click this checkbox to unselect all, because we are not going to sell all of the variants. So I want to sell that brown one. So where it is, there it is. So I will select it. And go to the top, and I will remove this one because I'm not selling this one. Let's go to images and unselect this one because we are not selling the white one. This one, we are just going to keep this one. Remove all of other images. Let's see if we have one more image for this case. Okay, we are good to go. Let's go back to product, import to store. And now you can see the product has been imported to the store. Let's go to our products inside our Shopify store. Let's just refresh this page. And you can see soft marble print case. So now let's go back to the import list. So now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to import all of these products to the store, and then I'm going to continue. So let's go to Shopify, refresh. And now you can see all the products in the store. So now we will start designing our store. So click this link, online store. Let's click all of these other tabs and explore free themes. And we will use a free theme called Brooklyn. So there it is, this one. We will add this playful version, add Brooklyn. Now you can see that the theme is there. Now let's go and publish this theme. So click this actions, publish. So now let's visit the store. So let's copy the URL, open a new tab, and this is how it looks like right now. So we will change it. So first of all, let's go and add some collections in this main menu. So for that we will have to create collections. So let's go, click products, collections. Let's delete this home collection, we don't want it. Create a collection and we'll create it manually. We will add products manually. So the first one will be wallet, cases, add a featured image for that collection. So select this image, let's save it. So after saving, scroll down, and now we can add some products in that collection. So we will search for wallet and select all of these three cases, add, and now let's go ahead and create one more collection, manual. This one will be for cats, cat cases, add an image. I'll select this third one, save it, and we will go and search for cat, and all the cat products will pop up. Select all and add, and we can simply save, and one more collection, create collection, manual. This one will be for marble cases. Select the second one. I am using one of the images of the products as the collection image. So save it, Let's add some products in that collection. Marble, and we have 2 products. Add them, and now we can add the collections inside the header menu. So click online store, navigation, main menu, and we are going to edit this one and change it to store or shop. Add another one. This one will be for our collection. So the first collection was wallet, cases, and for the link we will go and collections, wallet cases, and add. And now we will have to add that link inside this shop link. So I will drag it under the shop link. Let's add another one called marble. Let's make it capital, and we will go back to collections for the link, marble cases, and add. Drag it under shop as well. Add another one, and this one will be for cat, cases, collections, cat cases, and add. Now let's add for the about us and contact us pages. So contact us, and for the link I will go to pages and contact us, add another one, and this one will be for about us. For the link we will go to pages again, about us, and let's save it. So now let's go to the website and refresh, and you can see all of these 3 categories are under here, and we have contact us and about us. So everything is working fine. So now we will add a logo to our store. So let's go ahead and do that. We will go to online store, customize, header, and we will select a logo, upload an image, and I will go to downloads, actually let's upload another one. Let's use this one, and for the home page logo we will use the transparent logo. So we will use this transparent one. So right now it's looking good. You can see it here. Let's save it. Refresh. Now we will add the banner image, because without the banner image our logo is not looking good. So let's go and click this arrow symbol, slideshow, slide, select image, and I have already uploaded an image, so select it and it is looking good, so I will save it. Actually, let's change this text. Let's say something like welcome to custom cases, and this is the button text. So let's set a button link. So we will link this product, so products, and scroll down, this one, we will link this, and save it. Now if I go back and refresh, it is looking really cool. Now we will make it look a little bit better. So we will add the collection list here. So let's go back here and click this arrow symbol, and we will delete this custom HTML. So remove section and remove all the custom HTML. Remove this one, remove this one, and let's add a section, and it will be collection list. Click add, and now let's select collections. The first one will be the wallet cases, the second one will be marble cases, and the last one is going to be the cat cases. So it is looking pretty good. Save, refresh. Okay, it is on the bottom. Let's take it a little bit up. So I will drag it up above the featured collection. So now let's go into this featured collection, and I will select a collection. We will select this marble cases and select. Let's go to this newsletter and let's change some text here. Let's make this N capital, and let's change the description to subscribe now to get 10% off coupon. Save it. Now if I refresh this page, you can see collections list. We have our featured collection and newsletter subscribe, and let's add some featured products as well. So click this back arrow, add a new section, and I will add a featured product. Select a product, and which one I want to select? I want to select this one. Show dynamic checkout button, and let's go back and add another one. Featured product, add, and we will select the product. The product will be this, and go back and let's drag these up. Save it, come back and refresh. So it is looking awesome. Now let's add some links to this footer menu. So we will add the policy pages here. So let's go ahead and do that. For that, we will have to go to Shopify icon. I will click this, and I'm going to go to navigation, footer menu. Right now there is just one icon, search. Let's add some. So we will add refund policy. Link will be pages and refund policy page. Add another one. This one will be terms of service. Oops, I forgot the link. Pages and add. Same for our contact us page. We will add the contact us page as well. Pages, contact us, add. We will add about us, pages, and about us. We will add one more, and that is going to be privacy policy, pages, and privacy policy. Add, and let's arrange them. So I will drag this privacy policy here below refund policy, and everything else is looking good. So let's save it. Go to the page, exit this, and now you can see all of the links are in the footer. So now our design looks very good. Let's go and look some other pages. So let's go and see the collections page, and this one is also looking good. Let's add a product in cart, and let's see how our cart looks. Add to cart. Awesome, it is looking good as well. If I click checkout, so now we'll have to modify this checkout page as well, because right now here it is not showing the logo, it is showing some text. So let's go and do that. So I will go to online store, customize, theme settings, checkout, and I will select a logo, and on the checkout page I want the logo with white background, this one, not the transparent one. So I will select it, select and save. Now if I refresh this checkout page, let's see what happens. Perfect. So our checkout page is good as well. Let's go to home page. And now let's go and see a product page. So scroll down and I will select this, and this is looking good as well. So you can modify these product pages from this area. So you just have to select a page. So if I want to modify a 404 page, so I can change any page here. Collections list, it's looking good, and product pages. So we are pretty much done with our designing. Collection pages, okay, everything is looking good. Cart page, it is looking good as well. You can also modify theme colors from here, button colors and link colors, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Let's do one thing. Let's go and add some text in this about us page. So we'll go back to our shop and let's go and get some dummy text at Lipsum. Let's copy some text, just some random text. Oops. Copy it, and I will go to pages, about us, and oops. And if I save it, and now we have some random text in our about us page. So if I go to about us, of course you don't want to have this random text, you want to have something about your company or your brand. So I'm just doing it for the sake of the video to show you how it looks. Let's see the policy pages. Looking good. Let's go to home page. Now we are pretty much done with the design part. So now let's go and change the store settings. So I will go to settings. Let's go to payment providers because we have already done the general settings. I should have done that before, but so let's select a PayPal checkout method. We will use PayPal Express Checkout, and we can use an additional payment method such as Stripe or to checkout. Select a provider. So you can accept credit cards as well using to checkout and all of these options. I'm not going to do that here in this video. You can also use this alternative payment methods like cryptocurrencies, BitPay, GoCoin, Coinbase, Commerce, etc. And you can also create custom payment method like cash on delivery, bank deposit, and money order, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to activate this PayPal checkout method right now because I don't have a PayPal merchant account. So when this button is clicked, it will redirect you to PayPal and ask you to log into your PayPal account. So now let's go back to settings and go to shipping. We can add shipping zones. So add shipping zone. Add country. So we are only going to ship to United States. Add US shipping. So you can also offer free shipping for a certain order amount. So let's do that. Free shipping. Minimum order price must be $50. We'll check this free shipping. Done. So let's add another rate. So this one will be standard shipping. So this one will be $4.99. So if the order amount is $50 or up, we are going to be giving free shipping. Otherwise we will charge $4.99 for shipping. So perfect. We can also add weight based rates, but we are not going to do that in this video. So save it. Let's go and try it out. So if I go to my cart, and right now my cart has $30.99 worth of products. So if I increase the quantity, now the price is $61.98. So if I try to check out now, it should not ask me additional shipping cost. So if I try to submit some information, continue to shipping method, okay, why it is asking me $10 shipping? Okay, let's go and edit. Go back and okay, we will have to delete this one So edit. Delete this zone. And now we are good to go. Let's delete this one as well. Delete zone. And now we should be good to go. So now let's go back to cart and let me show you what happens if I make this amount less than $50. Then it should ask for $5 shipping. So if I remove one, update cart, and now if I try to check out, okay, let's change the customer information. Let's change it to and let's try to continue shipping. And now you can see it is charging $4.99 for shipping as well. So it is working perfectly. Now let's go back to settings. We are not going to work on this taxes tab. So I think we are good to go. Let's check notifications. So we will receive notifications for all of this. You can change this if you want, but I'm not going to do that. That's it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to press that like button and do not forget to subscribe, because I will be uploading more tutorials like this. So I will see you in the next one.